So today we're going to be taking a quick look at Honeyskin's Aloe Vera Gel. This stuff is amazing. I get a lot of sun, and it's important to me that I'm protecting my skin against sun damage, and I never want to have my skin peeling when I'm out in public. One thing I've really grown to love about this product is the fact that it doesn't clump up and get gross like some other aloe vera gels I've tried, and it soaks into my skin super fast without leaving any greasy residue. Seriously, look at that. It's already soaked in and my skin feels so smooth. Honeyskin's aloe gel smells great, but it's not one of those gross artificial scents. The combination of aloe vera, orchid stem cells, and apple stem cells have a refreshingly subtle aroma. I really feel like nourishing and safeguarding your skin is so vital. This is definitely getting worked into my daily skincare regimen. So this bottle is mine, but if you are looking to work a high quality aloe into your daily routine, I highly recommend you check out this fantastic aloe vera gel made by Honeyskin.